Learn how to make AI realistic UGC ads from Knowledge Elevator videos.
What if I told you that you can create viral UGC ads using AI, which will be faster, cheaper, and sometimes even better than a real creator? In this video, I will show you exactly how you can create high converting AI UGC ads step-by-step process. Welcome back to Knowledge Elevator. My name is Tariq Rahim, and in this quick tutorial I am going to show you how you can create perfect UGC ads in just few minutes. For this we will use FlowAI. So when you open FlowAI, now you have multiple options over there. You can use all these according to your own requirement. For example, you have video, pictures option, and at the bottom you can see there is a search bar, a chat bot, where you can paste your prompt. You can write a prompt. You have an option of create image, and also you have an option speed of the ad, and also you have an option of landscape and vertical. So first of all I will create a prompt by using ChatGPT. So you can see I just created prompt. I did a conversation with ChatGPT, and after that they just create a prompt for me where I just put some information for my prompt, like learn how to make AI realistic UGC ads from Knowledge Elevator. So I will simply copy the prompt and get back to FlowAI. In the interface of FlowAI, you can see there is options over there that I can use according to my own requirement. So like text to video, frames to video, ingredients to video, and create image. I will click on the option text to video. And also I will do some more changes here, like I want to create a ad and a portrait, so I will click on that, and also output per prompt, so I will click on one, and also the model, which quality I am looking for, so I can choose from here. So view 3.1, I will click on this one. So after that I will paste the prompt that I created by using ChatGPT. I just include everything, and after that I will click on submit. So now you can see they are just going to take a few seconds, and now you can see the ad is ready. Believe me, this is really amazing. It's look very fine when it comes to clarity, when it comes to lighting. So it's really amazing.
Learn how to make AI realistic UGC ads from Knowledge Elevator videos.
You can do this in just few minutes. It's completely depend on your prompt that you are going to write. So I will always suggest that focus on your prompt, write a perfect prompt. You can take the help of Perplexity, ChatGPT, and also Gemini, and after that you can use all these tools and they will work very well for you. I will create one more ad. So for that I create a prompt by using ChatGPT that is already prepared. I will simply go to ChatGPT and click on that, copy the prompt that I write here, and then get back to FlowAI. So I will simply paste it here and submit. So in just few seconds you can see FlowAI just create a new video for me. So
how to make AI realistic UGC ads from Knowledge Elevator videos.
So I can use this for different purposes, like I can post this on social media. If this is a task from someone else, I can simply click on download option and share with them. That's all from my side. Thank you so much for your time. If you like the video, hit the bell icon and subscribe Knowledge Elevator. See you in next video. Have a good day.